Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read lesson number 2, Tenali Rama and the Thieves from your English 1 book. Alright, here when we will complete this lesson, when we will finish this lesson, what you all will be able to learn? You all will be able to read out this chapter. You all will be able to give the answers of the questions. After that, you will able to understand the meaning of the words. Then we will cover pronouns also in this chapter. After that, you all will come to know how to use a dictionary. Then how to pronounce words starting with V and W. Right, children? Now we are going to start our chapter. This is your warm-up exercise, children. Solve these riddles with your partner. Now at your home you don't have partner, so you can take help of your mama or your siblings. Like in class, so we can say ki okay with your partner or with your friend you have to do it. But at home you can take help of your sibling or your mama or daddy. Right? Now question number 1 is, what has hands but can't clap? What has to be broken before you can use it? Now ma'am has already written the answers here, so you just don't cheat from here, right? Only 2 questions I have spoken here. Now you have to read out all the questions and you all have to give me the answers, right? Now we'll start the chapter. Here in this chapter, what happens, children? This is the story from Krishnadev Raya, who was a famous king who ruled over the kingdom of Vijayanagar. He had an intelligent and trusted minister, Tenali Rama. Read this story to find out why the king was so fond of him. Okay, the chief of police of Vijayanagar was worried. A gang of thieves had entered the city and a number of thefts had already taken place. Children, in this story, what happened? Chief of police of Vijayanagar was very much worried. वो बहुत टेंशन में था, उसको बहुत चिंता हो रही थी. Why he was tensed? Because a gang of thieves had entered the city and they want to theft everything, right? The police had not been able to catch the culprits. Now the police is not able to catch them. Culprits. Who are culprits? Culprits are thieves or robbers, right? King Krishnadev Raya was upset with the police force for failing to nab the thieves. Now what happens? Krishnadev Rai, जो कि वहाँ का राजा था विजयनगर का, he was very upset with the police force. वो पुलिस से बहुत ज़्यादा upset था because police force was not able to catch the thieves. Nab means catch, right? The chief decided to seek Tenali's help as he had helped him in the past with such cases. Tenali readily agreed to help him. Now chief of police, he decided to take help from Tenali. ठीक है? Now why he want to take his help? Because in previous cases also, in past also, he helped them to solve the cases. Okay, and Tenali just accepted this to help them out, right? Tenali asked his wife to spread rumors about some money they had received from a wealthy relative. Now Tenali thought a plan, right? What Tenali is saying to his wife? He said that you just spread the rumors. Now what are rumors? False stories, जो कि बातें सच नहीं होती हैं, ठीक है? About some money that they had received from a wealthy relative, कि हमें बहुत सारा money मिला है हमारे किसी rich relative से. Wealthy means rich. Okay. Soon the whole city was talking about their riches. What happens? कि जब उसकी पत्नी ने, उसकी वाइफ ने ये सब बातें शुरू करनी स्टार्ट की अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अब उन्होंने अपनी 2 फ्रेंड्स को बताया, उन फ्रेंड्स ने आगे किसी और को बताया, फिर ऐसे पूरे सिटी में ये सारी बातें फैल गई कि उनके पास तो बहुत सारा मनी आ गया है, नाउ दे आर रिच पीपल। द थीव्स हर्ड दिस टू, अब जो थीव्स थे उनके पास भी ये बातें गई। लेट अस कीप अ वॉच ऑन दिस मैन, सेड देयर लीडर। जो थीव्स का लीडर था उसने क्या बोला कि वी हैव टू कीप अ वॉच ऑन दिस मैन। जो तेनालीरामा था, क्योंकि इसने र्यूमर्स फैलवाई थी कि मेरे पास बहुत सारी मनी आ गई है, तो अब जो वो थीव्स का लीडर था उसने अपने एक मैन को बोला कि आप जाओ और उसके ऊपर पूरी नज़र रखो, ठीक है। One of them took up a job at Tenali's house as a servant so that he could spy on them. अब जो उसका गैंग था, थीव्स का गैंग, उसमें से जो एक पर्सन था उसने जाके क्या किया, तेनालीरामा के यहाँ पे जॉब कर लिया। कैसा जॉब? उनके यहाँ पे जाके वो सर्वेंट हो गया, right? So that he could spy on them. Now spy means to keep a watch, कि whatever they used to do, he will give all the reports to his main person of the gang, right? Tenali at once knew that this man was a thief. तेनाली को तो अब एक ही बार में पता चल गया कि ये जो मैन आया है हमारे घर में सर्वेंट की जॉब के लिए, ही इज़ अ थीफ. However, he pretended not to know anything. But what Tenali-Rama did, he just pretended, मतलब उसने ऐसा एक्टिंग किया कि उसको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है ना। उसे लगा कि ये कोई ऐसे ही आ गया है, कोई गरीब, कोई पुअर इंसान जिसको जॉब की ज़रूरत है और मैं उसको जॉब दे देता हूँ, राइट चिल्ड्रेन? This is your part 1 video. Now in part 2 video I will explain you another 2 paragraphs. Okay.